Now the book that I'm using is, it's around about 5.5 by 8.5 inches. So I'm looking to make the pages or the embellishments that are going on the page no more than 5 by 8. So I've got about 1/4 of an inch all the way around. So this will fit in that thing because this is 5 inches wide and it's 5 inches long at the moment. But I thought I might actually put it onto something and put a bit of decoration around it. Maybe some stamping and things. That'd be nice, I think. I've got, it's quite thick already, so I don't know that I want to build it up with any embellishments. I've just got a few things sitting around here. Like I could put like a clock on it, but maybe I just want to do some stamping on it. And I've got some stamps here, which I'm just dragging out. So these are Tim Holtz stamps, Visual Artistry they're called, and I've got quite a few packets of these. So I'm just going to have a look at what I've got in here. Because the writing is quite busy, if I put anything little on it, like this one here, let's hold that so you can see it, or this one, you're probably not going to see it, whereas if I put something like the truck on it, it's quite good. The old car, I quite like the old car, so maybe we'll put the old car on there. I've got a stamping block here. How big's that old car? That's not quite big enough. Got a stamping block here. Yep, so we'll just pull this one off. I'll deal with that later. I've never used these, can you tell? I've used maybe 3 or 4 of them, and I've got like 8 different packets of them, but I like them, and I bought them a few years ago when I was working, and now I'm semi-retired. I'm able to play with things like this. I've actually got time, but I figured that I would use them, and why not buy them while I've got the money to buy them, because perhaps in the future I wouldn't have the money to buy them. So my motto is, if you like something and you see something you like, then, you know, if you can afford it and you're not sort of, you know, the kids aren't going without, or you're not feeding your hubby or whatever it is that's your thing. Now, I haven't used this before, you know, then go ahead and buy it. I'm just going to test this on a bit of scrap, see if I like the image. Oh yes, that's going to be cute. It's nice and grungy, isn't it? I'm stamping it in a black. This is just a Ranger, where's the lid? Ranger Archival ink, acid free, permanent waterproof, jet black. So I'm going to stamp it in that, and I'm just going to put, I probably should have stamped it before I stuck them all together, but you know, where's the creativity in that? Why not learn as you go? And the other thing I've got here is my favourite, where are they? Ah, here it is. This is, you know, I've used this a bit already, but I love this. It's Staples, which is a Tim Holtz stamp as well. And it's a Tim Holtz one that I got in New York. So I'm just going to fold that down. I don't want to get too much ink all over my thing. And I'm just going to put a little edge on there. Oh, that's cute. And maybe I can just put a little edge on there too. Oh yeah, that's really cute. How cute is that? In fact, I like that so much, and I might do the rest, because what that will do, it'll kind of define where the edge of that paper is as well. When you're using it, you can go, oh look, I've got a little, okay. Yeah, that's really cute. I like that. I'm not going to put one at the top. Too much of a good thing and all that. Okay. Put those away. And let's see what else we can do here. So I've got the 3 little tags that are going to go in there. Not necessarily these 3, but you know, these are just an example of what you could put in there. And then I want to probably put this on another page or another sheet of paper, so that when I come to use it in my journal, I can just stick it down. So you can double-sided tape or glue the edges of these, as I said, on the back as well, so that obviously you don't want them flapping around like that. You need them down so that they hold your tag. But I'm just going to sew those